If your gas grill is covered in food and grease, it's time to give it a proper cleaning. Your food's going to taste better, and your grill will last longer as well. In this video, we'll walk you through the process. Let us know in the comments, how often do you give your grill a good cleaning? And if you have any dirty grill horror stories, you can share those with us as well. To do this right, you'll need a large container filled with hot and soapy water, a grill brush, a grill spatula or some other flat edge tool for scraping, a sponge, aluminum foil, and a garden hose. It's also not a bad idea to use a restaurant grade degreaser spray if you want to make your life a little bit easier. You can typically find these in the cleaning section of your local hardware store, and they'll really help you out. During cleaning, you may find that your grill has some sharp edges, so be careful and avoid giving it a deep clean while it's still hot from cooking. Start by safely removing your propane tank or gas line from the grill. While you're under the grill, remove the grease tray and empty its contents into a resealable bag for disposal. At this point, if you're wondering whether you should clean or simply replace your grease tray, check out the video we made taking you through that process. You can find it in the description below. Next, you'll want to remove all the grill grates, placing them to soak in a container of hot, soapy water. Remove the heat tents and place them in the same container. Now wrap all the heating elements in aluminum foil. This will prevent them from getting clogged with debris as you clean. Speaking of cleaning, it's time to get scrubbing. You'll start by cleaning the underside of the grill's hood with hot, soapy water. Over time, it gets easily blackened by smoke, which can be scrubbed away. You can scrub it with your grill brush, but be sure to start in an inconspicuous area. The wire brush can scratch up the finish as it cleans. You may not mind some minor surface scratching on the underside of your grill hood in exchange for a cleaner look, but just be prepared. You can also use a coarse foam pad for scrubbing. It's not quite as harsh as the wire grill brush, and will get the surface pretty clean with a little elbow grease. Be aware that coarse scrubbing pads can also leave minor scratching on the surface. To help clear away the residue, use a restaurant-grade degreaser spray before scrubbing. If you put in the time and effort, you can get the grill hood looking almost new again. Now the real fun begins, cleaning the interior of the grill. Again, we cannot recommend a degreaser spray enough for this step. Using your grill spatula or other flat edge tool, begin by scraping away all the built-up food debris on the drip pan and grill walls. Scrape the debris through the drip pan's opening and into a container for easy cleanup. This step will take some time, but will get the grill ready for scrubbing with soap and water. You can use your grill brush for the interior walls and something smaller like a butter knife to get around the tighter spaces. If your grill has a removable drip pan, taking it out to scrape it and soak it in soapy water is best. It's important to remember that you won't get the whole grill looking brand new again, but you can still make a big difference. Once you're done scraping and scrubbing the interior of the grill, you can take the aluminum foil off the heating elements and gently scrub them using your wire brush. Now that your grill grates and heat tents have had a chance to soak, you can use your wire grill brush to scrub off the food and grease. Your grill spatula or other flat edge tool may also come in handy here. Again, you probably won't get everything looking brand new, but there should still be a big improvement if you put in the effort. Once you've cleaned all the grill grates and heat tents, give them a quick rinse off using your hose. Before you reassemble your grill, give the exterior a quick wipe down with soap and water and clean up any cabinets and doors. Now put the metal grates and heat tents back into place and fire up the grill for about 10 minutes to burn off any residual cleaning products. And you're done! You can now cook with confidence. During this whole cleaning process, if you find any parts are just too far gone to be saved, you can visit ereplacementparts.com and enter your grill's model number to find manufacturer-approved parts, and we'll ship them right to your door. A clean backyard grill is going to give you the best tasting food, period. Old food and grease stuck to the grill are not flavor enhancers, and a well cared for grill will last way longer than a neglected one. That's why it's best to stay on top of cleaning. Remember, the more often you do it, the easier it'll be. Do you have any tips or advice for getting a grill cleaned up? Leave them in the comments below, and if you have any questions, we'll do our best to answer them. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.